Hey guys, so right now I'm going to be showing you guys the million. So I'm just going to tell him the place. Anyway, so I'm going to be getting, I have $1 million right now. And he's just asking, did my video start? And yes, it did, guys. My video did start. And so right now we're just going to be buying this. The million, so I'm not buying the Volt bike. Sorry. I'm gonna tell him thanks. So this is my brother. So just so you know. Here we go, guys. You guys ready for this? There we go, guys. I just bought the truck. Here it is, right here. This is the truck, monster truck. It's actually pretty cool, guys. It's a very tall. This is literally my first time buying it, and this took me forever to get. I mean, I spent so much time getting all this money. You guys, seriously. So I'm gonna make a part. Now this was just buying it. I'm gonna make a part 2 when I get the money to upgrade it. So we're just gonna see what we want. Now we're gonna go get it looking nice, you know. So we're gonna see. He's coming on right now. And I'm on my private server because I don't want to be making a video and then just have literally police just come up to me and arrest me. Let's see if it can even fit in here, guys. So it's pretty nice. I mean, in terms of those corners, it looks like it has a good suspension. Oh, I see why I can't be really wide. What the heck? Oh, that's so cool. Guys, look at how nice that is. Oh my god. That is beautiful. So let's see how much. In case you guys were wondering, my solo 5 would be 50K. Where am I supposed to get that money? So I have no idea. Guys, that is a lot of money. And I just spent $1 million getting this. Oh geez, so we're just gonna go. Oh my! It looks nice. It looks nice. You know, I'm glad I got it. I'm really glad I got it. We're gonna see how good this thing can do hitting the rampies. Whoa! Did you guys look at that suspension? That is literally impossible. The springs on that, that's literally impossible. Again, this is literally a game. Oh no, I didn't want to wrap that story. No. Oh gosh, I feel like this is just going to glitch out, like really. No, actually it's a pretty nice thing. Let's see what it can do to Bugatti. Let's see if I should have got the Bugatti in this. I'm pretty sure this looks a lot more fun than the Bugatti. Seriously, I mean, you know, Bugatti's pretty BS. Oh wait, what? What? You can't. Oh, what? That makes 0 sense. Let me see here. Let's see. I don't think you can run over cars for some reason. I've heard people will say you can run over cars and all this. You can't. Versus, I can't run. Nope, you can't go over cars. Either it's the wheels that. Or something, get in a car and meet me at the gas station. Let's go gas station. Okay. Get in a car and met me at the gas station. Ah man, I wonder if he's gonna understand because I was just messing with him. Okay. Let's see if he can answer. And stay in I want to see if I can run it over. So let's see if it does it with a person in it, because I have no idea. I mean, I just got this thing. This is live camera, and I'm not live. I'm not live like you guys would see. So is it coming? Okay, so because we know it won't run over anything. I think this is the pickup truck's body, is it? Is it? I think it is, just without the... It is the pickup truck's body, I think. I'm not sure. Leave in the comments if you know. I mean, I know it's... rim's different. What I would say, I think it's the bed. No, can't be the bed. Well, I just thought it was kind of the body. I think it's kind of shaped like the body. Not really just like it, but I think it's kind of like it. So is he coming? Okay, I think he's on his way. Again, we're seeing if he's here yet. Is he? Okay, no, he's still not here. I wonder if this can even fit in the gas station. Can it? Well, it supposedly can go through oh, nope, it can run over vehicles. Wait, can it? Oh, I think it's only the rims that touch it, guys. I literally only think it's... Did it just despawn? Nope, that's horrible. Do you hear? The sleep is coming. Okay. Can't see. So, we're gonna see. I think you can. I mean, is it just cars you know? Because we just went up to the Ferrari. That was a Ferrari. Okay, stay. Okay, stay. Stay right there, stay right there. Okay, stay. Let's see. Let's see. Nope. It went right. I have no idea why it's doing this. Well, I think, I don't know. I mean, is it the car part that has to hit it? This makes 0 sense, guys. He's a cop. I don't know why he's a cop. Oh! Seems pretty cool. I don't think you can do that with a regular car. I'm just saying. I really don't. I don't think you can do literally anything I'm doing right now. Are you guys seeing this right now? You need to catch some speed, but... Oh, geez, look at that. It flips pretty easy. Jeez. For all the suspension. Oh, guys, this is so cool. Oh, my gosh. Let's see what it will do. Oh, my gosh. You guys just saw that. I just jumped over a tree. A tree. Whoa! Oh my gosh, this is worth it. Volt bike can't do this. Can't do any of this. Whoa! Did you just see that? That is so cool. Oh my gosh. This is worth it. If you guys are thinking, should I buy the Volt bike or this? It'd be this. Definitely this. Definitely this. I mean, I think I can literally go over this. And I missed it. Let's see what it'll do. Fast speed on a ramp. I don't even think he can keep up with me. Anyway, if you guys were wondering what the Volt bike looks like, I mean, I'm just doing this for fun. I'm literally checking this out right now. I've never really Googled videos about it. I think it has cash symbols. Oh my gosh, guys, are you guys... Oh, it's so close. That was so close. I can literally get on that building. He landed on me. I can get on that building. I can get on that building. I really can. I'll check that out in the next video. Part 2 is it's gonna be, and I'll see you guys then. Oh man, that was so close. So I'm gonna try it one more time as fast as we can go. I know the Volt bike can make it up that, but I don't know. I mean, I think it can. I think the Bugatti can too. I'm not sure. We'll be testing that out once I get the max out engine. Did he just leave, I think? Or not, it's lag. Okay, so we're gonna see this again. Bam! Oh, that was so close! Dang it! Do you think? Okay, we're gonna go really, really back. This is the last time. I'm sorry, I'm having so much fun with it. Okay, so we're going right now, all the way back, all the way back, all the way back, all the way back, all the way back. So we're just gonna take a little turn right here. Can you build it right then? Oh my gosh! Oh, that's as fast as we can go. That's as much as we can go, guys. I think, so that was pretty fast. It's pretty fast, car, monster truck. I really like what this thing can do. It's better, it's way better than the Dune Buggy. There's like, oh, it does the same thing as the Dune Buggy. No, it doesn't. It's way better. Oh my gosh! Did you just see that? Oh my gosh! Of course you guys are watching this video. Seriously. This is really cool. I think it's worth the money, but definitely not worth all the time. Because I spent a long time getting this. A long time. I mean, you can literally ask everybody that knows me. And I don't think you know anybody who really knows me. But anyway, except my brother. So I'm going to make sure to go check out his channel. I'm just going to tell you guys about his channel. And it's American Tanker. Full caps, and it is space, unlike mine. So let's see if we can make it up here. Whee! No, we're screwed. Okay, we can make it up here. Oh yeah, that was heck easy. So let's see if we can get the side of this and flip this. Oh, we landed it! Whee! That was so cool. Oh, we already went around. Oh my gosh. Look at these wheels. Okay, ready guys? Oh no, it didn't do it. Oh my gosh, let's see if this thing. And then next video, it's going to be maxed out engine. And we're going to see what this can do to stop a train. I'm going to test it out with you. I was going to test it out by myself, but let's see what it can do to me. And, oh my gosh. Okay, it's faster than the pickup truck, I think. Is it? No. Is it? Oh, this is really laggy right now. I don't know why. Oh my gosh, he's dragging me to the ramp. Wham! Oh, that was so close. Anyway, so we're going to get the maxed out engine. Anyway, bye guys, and hope you enjoyed. And I'm going to make a part 2 of the monster truck, maxed out engine, jumping it. Anyway, bye guys.